Hi all, this is Federica. I come from Italy. Originally, I just came back from China where I lived for almost 2 years, working in a small town in China of 7 million people, more or less. And from that travel, from this experience, I think my mind has changed a lot. And I'm applying for this John Turo job because mainly because of this, because I think I came back to my country, Italy, so Europe. I came back to Europe, and I feel till now that my mind is different. I have different opinions of the world in general, of the people in general. So I think that this job position should be very grateful for people, for my people, or for everyone to show how people live in their countries, how to open the mind of everyone, and not just to show the beautiful sceneries, beautiful places around the world. Yeah, this is important too, but it's not the real thing. The real thing is when you really feel um, the real life in those countries, and when you don't travel as a tourist, but you travel with your heart, to open your heart with those people in those countries around the world. So this is a real voyage of discovery. This is a real travel of discovery when you really feel the reality and not just looking at beautiful pictures. This is not the real world. So I hope you can with me. Thank you.